The food we usually have every day is mostly made in factories before we get it. In 1809, Nicolas Appert made a special way to put food in sealed bottles that kept it fresh for French soldiers. This helped keep soups, fruits, and dairy products safe for a longer time. This was a significant improvement for the food industry. As time passed, more and better tools for making food were developed. Today, we're showing you different of them. Please leave a comment below to let us know which one you like. We want you to have a good time on our channel. Share the topics you'd like us to cover, and we'll definitely think about it. If you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon. Revolutionize your tomato game with this innovative tomato paste machine. That's a game changer. With an impressive processing capacity of 200 to 400 kilograms per hour, this machine is your kitchen assistant in efficiently separating cores and peels, setting the stage for boiling readiness like never before. Say goodbye to tedious tomato prep and hello to a swift and efficient way of making your own tomato paste. FRONTMATEC takes the lead in pork solutions, offering a comprehensive range for processing from 100 to a whopping 1,400 pigs per hour. Their tailored equipment takes pork processing to the next level, ensuring high-quality, error-free solutions, especially in deboning. With unclean and clean lines that incorporate automated machines, robotics, and energy efficiency, FRONTMATEC is all about efficient and sustainable pork processing. We've got a game changer for your honey harvesting journey, introducing a manual device that simplifies honeycomb cutting and board printing. This handy tool is designed to make your life easier, compatible with various honeycomb standards, and ensuring precise trimming by 3 millimeters, while maintaining a height of up to 160 millimeters. Meet the PBG50, your go-to solution for vegetable processing with an 80-liter capacity. This versatile machine is not just a pasteurizer, it's also a sterilizer and cooker, designed for efficiency. With the ability to process 145 pieces per cycle in 212 milliliters jars, it's not limited to vegetables, it's perfect for cooking jams, sauces, and baby food at temperatures reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius. The PBG50 takes automation to the next level, with automatic sterilization up to 155 degrees Celsius using water or saturated steam, complete with adjustable time and temperature settings. Controlled by a user-friendly touchscreen interface with Siemens PLC, it supports data logging and offers remote control via smartphone or PC. Equipped with double probes, a cooling system, and back pressure control, the PBG50 ensures precise and efficient processing for all your culinary needs. Say hello to Kronen's MPC 100, your ticket to lightning-fast uniform pineapple chunks. This beast can cut up to 720 pieces per hour, ensuring you have perfectly sized pineapple chunks for all your culinary delights. The beauty lies in its simplicity. With easy manual operation, you can enjoy hygienic, bite-sized pineapple goodness, ready for various culinary uses. Let Kronen's MPC 100 take your pineapple preparation to the next level, saving you time and delivering consistency with every cut. Introducing the Manchurian making machine, your automatic solution for cutting uniform-sized balls in large quantities. Brought to you by Nair. This powerhouse not only guarantees food hygiene but also delivers top-notch quality results, making it the perfect addition for cafes, restaurants, and fast food establishments. With a capacity ranging from 1,200 to 1,500 pieces per hour, this machine ensures efficiency and consistency in your food preparation. Poultry processors, meet your time-saving ally, the feather plucking machine. This automated marvel takes the hassle out of feather removal, enhancing efficiency and maintaining top-notch quality in poultry processing. Tailored for chickens and birds of similar sizes, it not only streamlines the process but also minimizes the need for manual labor. The user-friendly design operates on a single-phase system, making it a breeze to use and maintain. The AS6, the ultimate apple peeling and slicing machine. This automated wonder takes the chore out of apple preparation, combining speed, safety, and versatility. Whether it's peeling, coring, or slicing, the AS6 handles it all with finesse, accommodating up to a whopping 900 apples per hour. Designed for high-care industrial processing, it ensures not just automatic operation but also offers various cutting tool options, giving you the flexibility you need in the kitchen. Enter the world of streamlined sausage production with this sausage production line. Kickstarting the process is the sausage stuffer, ensuring efficient and precise filling for meat processing. After stuffing, our trusty sausage tying machine takes the stage, securely sealing casings and preparing sausages for the cooking journey ahead. Post-cooking, this sausage cutting machine and packing machine join the lineup, simplifying the packaging process for smooth distribution. From filling to tying, cutting, and packing, the sausage production line is your all-in-one solution for efficient and quality sausage manufacturing. The multi-lane piston depositor. Crafted for accuracy, speed, and adaptability, this air-operated machine is your go-to for handling cream, batter, and fillings with finesse. Specifically designed for half-liquid materials, it boasts adjustable dosage volumes and versatile nozzles, ensuring you have complete control over your baking creations. Elevate your baking game with the multi-lane piston depositor, making every dollop and swirl a work of precision and perfection in your culinary masterpiece. Unlock the world of pasta perfection with La Monfarina's cutting-edge pasta machines. The C230 pasta dough sheeter skillfully crafts versatile pasta sheets in various cut shapes, giving you the freedom to create pasta masterpieces. For high-volume restaurants and retail pasta production, the P50 Double Vat Pasta Extruder is your go-to machine, ensuring efficiency and excellence. But wait, there's more. The Montesfoglia Ravioli Maker takes it up a notch. creating handmade-style ravioli for that authentic touch. Embark on your journey to artisan chocolate mastery by transforming grated cocoa under your creative control. Equip yourself with essential tools like a mélanger, vibrating sieve, tempering bowl, and molds to ensure quality and high margins for your chocolate venture. Once you've prepared the base, introduce the guitar candy slicer for precise cuts, creating uniform chocolate delights. Post-cut, elevate your creations by coating them in chocolate once again and allowing them to dry. With your artistic touch and the right equipment, your venture into artisan chocolate promises to be a delightful and lucrative experience. Step into the exquisite realm of Dolce Patagonia, where a meticulous process of chocolate coating gives birth to their sublime milk, chocolate alfajors. Each delicate alfajor is crafted with precision, ensuring a luscious and heavenly chocolate experience. The final touch involves an artful packaging process, undertaken with utmost care to preserve the freshness and quality of these delightful treats. From the enchanting chocolate coating to the thoughtful packaging, every step showcases Dolce Patagonia's dedication and passion for delivering the finest milk chocolate alfajors. Indotech FlexBone 2E emerges as a time and cost-saving marvel for indoor ceramic and natural stone installations. Its innovative design accommodates various dough types, while ensuring top-notch quality. Enjoy advantages like pressure-free dough formation, significant processing power, and efficient cleaning, making your installation process a breeze. With Indotech FlexBone 2E, experience the perfect blend of efficiency and quality in indoor ceramic and natural stone installations, saving both time and money along the way. Meet the ZUMEX Mastery, your gateway to commercial cold-press juicing perfection. The Z450 juice extraction unit is designed to extract juice from various citrus fruits, while minimizing essential oil content. Its rotary filter ensures a continuous removal of pulp and seeds, neatly deposited into a stainless steel drawer. Cleaning is a breeze with readily removable parts for convenient maintenance. This cold-press juicer boasts a brushless motor and an 11-ton press, ensuring efficiency, power, and quality juice extraction. Safety is paramount with its safety stop system and a folding, efficient feeding system, promoting hygiene and safety. Achieve a production capacity of up to 110 liters per hour, thanks to the stainless steel press racks that ensure a high yield. DSI Danteca's plate freezing solutions are designed to enhance the efficiency of poultry freezing, cooling, and heating processes. Rapid freezing is ensured through the use of vertical plate freezers, upholding the highest standards of food quality and safety. These versatile freezers are well-suited for a variety of products, including meat, seafood, and vegetables. Employing an innovative double-contact freezing method, they operate 30% faster than conventional blast freezing techniques, Offering 4 distinct freezer series, DSI Dantec provides tailored solutions for capacity and batch size, aligning precisely with specific production needs.